Have you ever spent way too long making a presentation or starting with a blank slide or wondering what to say? Worst nightmare, right? But I'm going to show you how to use AI to create an amazing pitch deck, slide deck, presentation, all within a matter of minutes. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Kenny. I have been a business owner for over 30 years, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get this kind of presentation in as little as a few minutes. Let's get started. First, we're going to use Carol, my AI assistant, who I trained. If you want to learn how to train Carol, just go to my other video called How to Build an AI Assistant in 20 Minutes. Firstly, I'm going to show you how to create the slide content using AI. Then I'm going to show you how to create amazing images to go with it. Then stay around till the end, because at the end I'm going to show you a bonus tip, how to get your content, your images put together into a slide deck without you lifting a finger. Okay, so my prompt is, please create a set of bullet points for a 7-slide presentation I'm doing. Spelled presentation wrong, but I'm sure it'll be fine. To teach small business owners 5 best ways to manage their time, including time blocking. Include intro, 5 points, 5 slides, and outro. So there's slide 1 and 3 bullet points. Slide 2, slide 3, 80-20 rule, batch tasking, automate and delegate, and then the outro. Intro was slide 1, time blocking, yeah, perfect. So 7 slides is what I asked for. That's great. I am just going to go copy to there, and we're going to go to napkin. I'm going to paste it into napkin. Now this is app.napkin.ai. It is an AI image generator, specifically really good for slides. So we're just going to paste it. I'm just going to make some spaces in between each one. Slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, 6, 7. Now you can see that little blue thing coming up on the left. So this is telling it to go away and find an image for slide 1. So just click on it and it reads it. It's going to create us an image, and we can say whether we like it or not. We can go and choose different styles. And I'm going to go with that one there. Nice and simple. And then I can change that. Now that I've got what I wanted, I can change it to different colors, fonts. We'll stick with that one there. So there you've got your image for slide 1. Now we're going to do 2. So I quite like the paper look. And choose the font. Go with that one. Slide 3. So we'll just have a simple one. That one, and the font, try and stick to the same. And slide 4. So you just click on the area, wait for the blue lightning icon to come up. And I quite like that one. Use that one. And I like that one. And then number 5. You can imagine how long this would take if you tried to do it manually, right? So I quite like that one. And I like that one. And slide 6, we're nearly done. Hope someone's got the timer on. I'm doing this in real time. And we'll go that one, I think, just for something different. That one I like. And the last one. that one. And we're done. You've got now your slides, slide content, an image for each slide. Now you've just got to go and open Google Slides and make a presentation, or you can do it in Keynote. But there is a better way. Open up a new window and type in gamma.app and just use your Google login or an email and you'll get a free account. We're going to import and we're going to say import from URL. We're going to paste the URL from Napkin that we just made. To get it from Napkin, we're just going to click on share, select anyone with the link, can view, and then we're just going to say copy link, go back into Gamma, and we're going to paste it in the URL where we said import from URL. And then we're going to say import. And I chose presentation, and then it looks a bit like, well, you did nothing right here. So you can edit anything you want to, but I didn't. I just said continue. And it showed me a theme, and I'm going to choose a different one that I like the colors of better. And then we're going to say generate. And I'm leaving it in real time so you can see how quick it is. And here we have our slides coming to life. Now it does create images for you as well. So you don't have to necessarily go to Napkin. You can just paste it from your drafts. You can just paste it from ChatGPT straight into Gamma. And there you've got a presentation with beautiful images, coloring, themes, and it's got all of my output. And then you can just edit them as you need it. So here we have a fully functioning presentation that looks awesome in my opinion. And then you can just export it, present it from here, whatever you like. How's that for time saving?